Every time a government changes, markets don't just react, they rotate. This is the story of 20 years of regime-driven wealth. UPA rode a road a commodity and infrastructure supercycle. When policy paralysis set in, IT and pharma became safe havens. Modi's first term, financialist India. His second, capex defense, and PSUs dominated everything. America mirrored this exactly. Bush, housing. Obama, big tech. Trump 1.0, tax cuts. Biden, AI and semiconductors. Now, domestic manufacturing and fossil fuels are back. Apply this same logic to the 3 states where governments just changed. West Bengal, infrastructure, Eastern logistics, cement. Tamil Nadu, EVs, electronics, auto ancillaries. Kerala, tourism, gold finance, and the Vizinjam port. Across all 20 years, private banks, IT, and consumer staples compounded regardless of who was in power. These are the bedrock. The regime trades sit on top. Politics is policy. Policy is profit. Know the regime. Own the trade. Follow for more. Drop in the comments which state you're watching.